In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your financial data from Xero. Whether you're looking to use this information for reporting, analysis, or just as a backup, you're in the right place. I'll guide you through the process, ensuring you feel confident by the end of this tutorial. First things first, you'll need to log into Xero. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which is essentially the nerve center for all your accounting activities. Take a moment to get familiar with the layout if you're not already. From here, you'll want to look for the Connect Apps icon. This is an important step because connecting to third-party services can enhance your Xero experience. Clicking on the Connect Apps icon leads you to a vital part of the process. The next step is to search for SAS and transactions. This third-party service is invaluable because it facilitates a smooth data export process. Once you find it, go ahead and establish a connection. This link allows for seamless data transfer from Xero, paving the way for a successful export. With the SAS ANT interface open, you'll notice an Export option. Clicking on this will prompt you to make a few selections. This is where you'll specify what kind of data you need to export. Look for the prompt that asks you to select an entity. Your options might include invoices, bills, transactions, or any other specific entity you are focused on. Make your choice based on what you need. After picking the entity, you'll need to choose the preferred date type, such as payment dates, invoice dates, or any other date criteria that suits your needs. It's an essential step because it helps define the scope of your data export. Once you've made these selections, it's time to refine your search by inputting a date range. Choose start and end dates that precisely encompass the financial data you want to export. This precision ensures you capture all necessary information while avoiding extraneous data. After fine-tuning your settings, proceed by clicking the Search button. This action retrieves results that match the criteria you've set. It's worthwhile to spend some time filtering these results to ensure what you're about to export is exactly what you need. The filtering tools provided are designed to help you streamline the information you're dealing with. At last, when you're satisfied with your data selection, go ahead and click on the Download button. This will export your chosen data from Xero, making it ready for you to save, analyze, or distribute as required. Congratulations! You've successfully exported your financial data from Xero, enabling you to have a secure backup or prepare for further analysis. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide has been helpful and leaves you feeling empowered to manage your financial data with confidence.